In this guide, I'm going to explain what NFL games are available live with NFL Plus. Let's get started. NFL Plus provides access to live out-of-market preseason games across supported devices, so you can follow preseason matchups that are not available in your local TV market. During the regular season and postseason, NFL Plus also lets you watch live local and primetime games on your phone or tablet. Local games are the games that are available on TV in your local market, while primetime games include nationally featured matchups. NFL Plus also includes access to 7 live NFL Network games this season, with NFL Network available across supported devices. NFL Plus provides live audio for every game of the season across supported devices, making it easy to follow the action even when you cannot watch the game. So if you want the NFL coverage on supported devices, NFL Plus gives you access to preseason games, local and primetime games on mobile, select NFL Network games, and live audio for every game throughout the season. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.